This video shows how to connect your workloads to WAF using a CNAME record. Before you start, make sure you have bought a cloud WAF instance. Your website domain name has an ICP license. The main steps are as follows. Add your website to WAF, modify the website DNS record, and test website accessibility. Step 1. Adding your website to WAF. Log into the WAF console. And choose Website Settings. Click Add Website. Select Cloud Mode CNAME. Click Configure Now. Enter the website domain name. Select the protected port for the domain name. If port 80 or 443 is used, select standard port. Client protocol is used by the client to request access to the server. Server protocol is used by WAF to forward client requests to the origin server. Server address is the public IP address or domain name of your website server that the client accesses. Server port is the service port through which WAF forwards client requests to the origin server. If client protocol is set to HTTPS, an HTTPS certificate is required. You can select an existing certificate or upload a new one. Enter the certificate name. Enter the PEM certificate file and private key. Specify minimum TLS version and cipher suite. Check whether any proxies are deployed in front of WAF. Complete advanced settings based on your service requirements. If there are multiple origin servers, you need to select a load balancing algorithm. Otherwise, retain the default value. If the domain name is accessible using an IPv6 address, enable IPv6 protection. After you enable it, WAF assigns an IPv6 address to the domain name. Select a protection policy. Click Next. If your origin server uses a firewall, add the following WAF back to source IP addresses to the firewall whitelist, or requests forwarded by WAF will be blocked by the firewall. Use a command tool to check whether the CNAME record works. Make sure the connection between WAF and your origin servers has been established. Step 2. Modifying the website DNS record. If no proxies are used in front of WAF, go to the DNS platform hosting your domain name and configure a CNAME record. For details, you can refer to the guide provided by the DNS provider. If proxies are used in front of WAF, change the back to source IP address of the in-use proxy, such as anti-DDoS and CDN, to the copied CNAME record. This video shows you how to configure a CNAME record for a website on Huawei Cloud DNS. In this video, no proxies are used for the website. The ways you configure CNAME records on other DNS platforms are similar. On the console, choose Networking, Domain Name Service. The DNS console is displayed. Select Public Zones. Locate the domain name you want to add WAF and click Manage Record Set. Click Modify. Set type to CNAME map one domain to another. The record is the CNAME record provided by WAF. Step 3. Testing website accessibility. Return to the WAF console. The access status of the domain name is accessible. Use your browser to access the protected domain name. If it is accessible, the website is connected to WAF successfully. Simulate a simple SQL attack request. If the request is blocked, WAF protection is working.